before we start, we must prepare dilution water first. So how to prepare dilution water first? We must put 1 BOD buffer pillow for 3 liters in container by bubbling compressed air in distilled water for about 30 minutes. Okay, so we must put 3 liters distilled water. Okay, this is BOD nutrient buffer pillow, and you must read here for preparation of 3 liters of dilution water. That means we must put 3 liters with 1 buffer pillow. Okay, so cut the buffer pillow. And then put the chemical here. Okay, and then you must bubbling with this one 30 minutes. So you left 30 minutes, and after that we can use dilution water. Cut. Okay, for the experiment today we do the BOD testing, determination of biological oxygen demand BOD in water and wastewater. This is the manual. Okay, so our apparatus here. Okay, this is the apparatus, measuring cylinder 500 ml. Okay, 100 ml measuring cylinder, 1000 ml beaker, 250 ml beaker, BOD bottle, okay, dropper, magnetic stirrer retrievers. Okay, so this chemical we use sodium hydroxide 1 normality and sulfuric acid 1 normality. Okay. So this is sample, our sample, BOD sample, and then this is distilled water. Okay, so our equipment we use dissolved oxygen meter, magnetic stirrer, and pH meter. Okay. Okay. So after we get 100 ml sample and then 400 ml dilution water, you must put in the beaker to Okay, so first we must put 100 sample. And then 400 dilution water, ml dilution water. Okay. So now we have 500 ml sample with the 400 ml sample with 400 ml dilution water with 100 ml sample. Okay, so we put in BOD bottle. So first, slowly put here. So for the first step, we just put our sample approximately here lah. Not so much because when we put the probe, the water will tumpah. Okay, so now, okay, we start with the dissolved oxygen meter. Okay, for the dissolved oxygen meter, we must also switch on here and then switch on here. Okay, so you must wait a few minutes. Okay, before we start, we must press, calibrate, auto call, and then mod. For calibrate, you see. Okay, this is calibrate, so you must press calibrate. Okay, wait, and then auto call. So auto call here, press also. Okay, you will see here DO calibration safe. That means the equipment now is stable. But if you see ... unstable, so you must wait and press calibration and auto call again. And then you press mod to the main page lah. Okay, so now we can use this equipment. Okay, this is the probe for dissolved oxygen. Okay, so you must clean the probe also with the distilled water. Okay, and also wipe with tissue, and then slowly put into your sample. Okay. Okay. So we press the red button for start, and then wait until you see a star and the first beep sound. Okay, so we see the star and the sound. Okay, you must put the first reading. So example before 7.50, and then you also must put the temperature 26.54. Okay, this is the first reading, DO initial. Okay, and then you stop the stirrer and clean again. And then put back into the bottle. Okay. So this one. Okay. The sample, you must top up with the sample before ni. Okay. Okay. So make sure you do like this. Okay, and then you see here whether have a bubbles or not. If you see no bubbles, just put the stopper. Okay, and then close with the cap. Okay. So you wipe with tissue. Okay, and then put the label. Okay, example your group or your name, the date today. Okay, this example labeling. Okay. So put in the bottle. Okay, the BOD sample you must put into the incubator for 5 days. So today, like example, today is Tuesday. That means you must read your sample DO final Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the 5 days after today is Sunday. So you must take back the sample lah. So Okay, after you finish, you must put into the incubator. Okay, incubator here we set 20. Okay, and then you put inside for 5 days. Okay, then close. Okay, so after 5 days, you take back your sample and then read. Okay, after 5 days, we take back the sample from the incubator and then read the sample using the dissolved oxygen meter. So same before, switch on here and then switch on here. So before you start, you must wait and then press calibrate, autocall and then mod. So calibrate again. Okay, and then press autocall. And then you see here DO calibration safe. That means the equipment is stable now. And then press mod to the main page. Okay, so clean the probe again with distilled water. Okay, and then put the probe into the sample and then you press button, red button, and then wait until you see the star appear and then the sound beep, beep sound. Okay, so now you see the result is 6.44, 21.04 degree. So this is the initial result and then this is the final result. Okay, the final must lower than the start. The initial. So, okay. So now when you see BOD, okay, BOD3 equal DO initial minus DO finals divide to P. So today BOD5, DO initial 0.50 minus 6.44. Our P today is, okay, we do the testing, dilution factor we use, P is equal volume sample divide volume sample minus, volume sample plus volume dilution water. So P is volume sample we use 100 ml. So 100 ml sample minus plus volume 400. So our P is 1.5. Okay. So our ni the calculation. Okay. So DO initial minus DO final because 1/5 ni we just ni to get the result. Okay.